Yeah, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video today, I'm going to be showing you how you can mint Zen token on your Trust wallet. So if you're visiting my channel for the first time, do well to hit the subscribe button. So let's get started. So to mint Zen token, first of all, you need to have copied the link that you can use to do the minting, right? I'm going to place that on the comment section. The next thing you have to do is to go to the apps, then you come to this search bar and put in the link. You can see it, Zen network minute mint, right? You click on search, and you are going to see an interface like this, and you connect it to the network that you want to use. You can use Ethereum, you can use smart chain, right? Yeah, so I'm going to show you how to use the both, even though I am not going to mint it. So the first thing you need to do right now is to click on, first of all, you set up the number of days you want to mint. I don't know, some people are setting theirs to next 3 years, next 1 year, next 365 days. But then I would advise you, if you are testing, if you are minting for the first time, to mint for the shortest period of time to see your profit, and at least sell it to see how the money that comes from it feels, right? And if you are deciding to mint for a very long time, you should also note that this is not a financial advice, because since there is no limitation to the number of tokens one can mint, right, it means that this token is definitely going to keep going down, right? Yes, because people are getting it for free. The only thing they are paying for is the transaction charge, right? So that is it. So let's take, for instance, I set this to 10 days, right? So you can actually increase it. So let's say 10 days. I click on start minting. It's not going to go through, because from here you can see that I don't have Ethereum on my actually don't have any Ethereum here, but I'm going to use smart chain to show you a typical example of it, right? Yeah, so this is it. I'm going to change. You can see the only chain network that is available here. You can use Polygon. If you have Polygon in your wallet, you can use it. If you have Ethereum proof of work, you can use it. If you have this second to the last token, you can use it. If you have Polygon, if you have BSC. So I'm going to change this network to BSC network. So after changing it to BSC network, right, the next thing I would have to do is to set the time, which is the days, right? So let me just say I set it for 10 days too. Then you can see the global rank. Then I can click on start minting. So when I click on start minting, it's going to take me to where I need to approve the transaction, right? You can see, make sure you trust the site. By interacting with it, you allow the site to access your funds, which is this transaction charge. You can see 0.23. And also, I would also want to inform you that you get higher rewards when you mint with Ethereum, right? Yeah, so for, like, let's say 1 week minting, you can get up to, let's say, $40. But with BNB, which requires just very little network fee, which is the transaction fee, right, the minting fee per se is 0.3. But if you are minting with Ethereum, right, it's going to be up to $4 to $5 depending on the time of the transaction, right? So that is it. So you can choose wisely. I would advise you use the Ethereum network. You can also use the BNB network, the smart chain network, if you don't have a lot of money to throw around. But you can also see it as an investment, since the only thing you are investing is the transaction fee, right? So I think that is that about minting, how to mint Zen token, right? So let's say I wanted to approve this transaction. What I'm just going to do right now is to click on approve, and it's automatically going to go through. So that is it. It's not a difficult thing to do. Also, you can make your own research, because this is not a financial advice. I'm going to drop this link I used for minting in the description, so that those who want to go ahead and mint this token can actually get started. This token is gaining a whole lot of attraction, and everybody's attention is going towards it, so you can exploit, make some money from it before everywhere is clouded, right? So I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, do also hit the subscribe button and like this video, so that more people will get to learn from it. Thank you. Bye.